Once upon a time, there was a hungry dog walking through a village. He was searching everywhere for something to eat. Suddenly, he found a fresh piece of bread on the road. The dog quickly picked it up in his mouth and happily started walking home. On the way, he had to cross a small wooden bridge over a river. When he looked down into the water, he saw another dog holding a piece of bread, but it was actually his own reflection. The greedy dog thought, "If I take that bread too, I will have two." So he opened his mouth and barked loudly. But the moment he barked, the bread fell from his mouth into the river. The water carried the bread away. Now the dog had nothing. He sadly realized that his greed made him lose the bread he already had. Moral of the story: greed can make you lose what you already have.